Ma'am, I want to say that I want to give notice to reserve all my rights and inform the court that I'm not here to testify or plead. I'm here to make a special appearance to challenge the jurisdiction only. I would like to see evidence of the affidavit of the people that I've hurt. This is a victimless crime if there's no one that I've hurt. Objection hearsay. Objection hearsay. I'm not a sovereign citizen.
We've got a crazy one today. A guy in court for speeding tries to avoid the ticket by using a sovereign citizen script, like it's some magic loophole. The funniest part? He insists he's not a sovereign citizen. But is he really? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's jump in.
Mr. Robinson, are you here?
I am here representing the name, ma'am.
All right, you need to start your video, please. And you are, is it Tremaine or Tremaine?
The name I'm representing is Tremaine.
Tremaine. And how do you pronounce your middle name?
J.
Tremaine J. Robinson.
On and for the record, ma'am, I want to say that I want to give notice to reserve all my rights and inform the court that I'm not here to testify or plead. I'm here to make a special appearance to challenge the jurisdiction only.
All right, anything else?
Yes, I would like to see evidence of a charging instrument.
Were you not given a copy of the ticket issued by Trooper Collins?
The charging instrument that I am referring to is a sworn affidavit of the client, of the person that I've hurt.
Now, this is a speeding ticket alleging that you did on March 27, 2023 at 8:48 a.m. operate a motor vehicle in Butler County, Kansas at the speed of 92 miles per hour when the posted maximum speed limit was 75 miles per hour. So this would have been out on the Kansas Turnpike, Highway I-35. Now, what else were you wanting to know, sir, as the allegations against you?
I would like to see evidence of the affidavit of the people that I've hurt. This is a victimless crime if there's no one that I've hurt.
This guy really thinks you need a victim to be charged. Seriously? Does he actually believe this, or is he just pretending? Here's the deal. Traffic laws exist to keep everyone safe, not just punish people after harm is done. Sovereign citizens love to twist this, acting like laws don't count unless someone's directly hurt, but that's just not how it works. What do you think? Is he for real, or just putting on a show? Let's get into it.
Well, the victim would be the state of Kansas in that you violated the laws enacted to protect the people of the state of Kansas. But this is not the type of crime which would require or have individual names listed. So your next point, if any?
My next point is, as I stated, ma'am, I'm not here to testify. I'm not here to plead. I would like to see the affidavit with 2 signatures for the person that I've hurt. If I didn't hurt anybody, there's no crime.
All right, well, I'm going to proceed. The subpoena was issued July 7, 2023 for Trooper Collins. Then on July 31st came a correspondence from the defendant as referred to by Mr. Regier herein. Looks like it's about 7 typed pages, and as counsel said, it's entitled Challenge for Jurisdiction and addressed to Butler County District Court Clerk, Butler County District Court Clerk, Office of the Attorney General Derek Schmidt. And it mentions subtitles under the following case law. I request case 2023 TR 1193 be dismissed. Pretty much standard language that is used by folks who call themselves or are considered sovereign citizens. Quote, it is on this date, July 27, 2023, I, Tremaine J. Robinson, it's Tremaine-J, Robinson in the county of the Seminole of the state of Florida and a zip code, a natural man, attorney in fact, is a living human being who's the beneficiary of Tremaine J. Robinson trademark. Swear that the information in my sworn statement is truthful to the best of my knowledge and understanding. I, Tremaine J. Robinson, beneficiary of Tremaine J. Robinson, revoke my signature on any and all pages of any and all tickets, summonses, contracts, and/or agreements signed by the side of the road in the state of Kansas by Officer Collins K. And so here we are. Now, Mr. Robinson, normally I would be upset that you filed what appears to be in part a motion for discovery and you didn't get that. However, you did not address that document to anybody but Butler County District Court Clerk Traffic Court, Butler County District Court Traffic Court. You sent one to a P.O. box in Topeka, and then you sent a copy of it to the Attorney General. But you did not send it to the Butler County Attorney. Therefore, he did not know you were trying to get discovery.
Ma'am, I do have a tracking number that says it was delivered at the Butler attorney.
Okay, well, that's not on file. What you want to present that at this time?
Yeah, someone signed for it yesterday.
Did this guy seriously send his discovery request the day before the hearing? That's not how it works. Discovery needs to be sent ahead of time so both sides can review the evidence. This isn't Amazon Prime. You can't just drop it last minute and expect it to work out. He's either stalling, trying to dodge the ticket, or just totally clueless. What do you think? Let's dive back in.
And this document that I'm giving the benefit of, it's a multi-subject document, but this document filed by the defendant that I'm giving the benefit of, including what he offers as a motion for discovery, was not filed with the clerk until July 31st. So that was after the statutorily required 21 days. And then it was not filed upon the prosecutor who would have, or the witness who would have held any evidence, but rather again on Butler County Clerk in Topeka, Kansas, that to my knowledge doesn't exist, the Butler County Clerk in El Dorado, and Attorney General then Derek Schmidt in Topeka. And that's if it was served, if I take the defendant's benefit of the doubt, that was saying it was served sometime yesterday before today's 1:30 trial, the court has to decide if that later time was reasonable, and I do not find that it was reasonably served on the county attorney. I am at this point going to say that any last minute motion for discovery is denied and we are prepared to go to trial. Now I've lost you, Mr. Robinson. Are you still somewhere available?
No.
What are you doing there with your computer?
Right now, I was looking for a document, but no, I am not available for trial.
This guy either has no clue or thinks he's the smartest one in the room. Either way, he's in for a rude awakening. Refusing to show his face and throwing out snarky comments like he's got it all figured out. Newsflash, the court isn't playing his game. Acting like this in front of a judge only makes things worse. He swears he's not a sovereign citizen, but he's checking all the boxes. No idea what his plan is, but let's dive back in.
We're going to proceed with trial. So please put yourself back in front of the camera. Follow the court's order or you could be found in contempt. I don't want to do that. Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, in that particular case involved a sovereign citizen where the court noted in the memorandum opinion.
Objection, hearsay. Objection, hearsay.
Case law is not considered hearsay or...
I'm not a sovereign citizen.
All right. He's not a sovereign citizen. Go ahead, Mr. Regier.
Yes, Your Honor. In that case, the the Kansas Court of Appeals noted, quote, the defendant thinks the law does not apply to him. He avows that he, unlike other citizens, is sovereign and immune from prosecution. The court went on to address the issue of venue, which